The direct wire 4-foot life bulb T8 T12 LED tube is a favorite among commercial customers when retrofitting linear fluorescent fixtures. These T8 LEDs eliminate the maintenance cost and compatibility issues of external ballast by running directly on 120 to 277 line voltage for up to 50,000 hours. Replacing 32-watt T8 or T12 fluorescent lamps, they provide between 1,650 and 2,000 lumens of evenly distributed light. The DLC-listed LEDs are housed in a glass tube with plastic diffusing sleeve that prevents shattering if breakage should occur. They also meet NSF2 requirements for food service applications and are UL listed for damp locations. Because the fluorescent ballast needs to be bypassed, LifeBulb's direct wire T8 T12 LED tubes are not dimmable and should only be installed by a licensed electrician. Thanks for watching. You can find more great lighting products on our website, 1000bulbs.com.